Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this 2020 Ford F-150 XLT with the Sport Appearance package. This F-150 XLT does have a remote start, lock, and then remote start. You've also got molded running boards along the side here, remote entry keypad, heated mirrors, blind spot on them. You've got your power window controls, cloth seating, also power, heated for the driver and passenger. Go ahead and turn the key on. You've got your infotainment system here in front of you with the display mode, trip and fuel, towing status, off-road, and various truck settings. Cruise controls on the left here. You've got your hands-free on the right. Sync 3 sound system with built-in navigation, Ford Pass Connect, 4G hotspot, and many other features. Above that is traction control, four-way flashers, and auto start stop function. Locking differential with 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low, and then a trailer backup assist. You've got your climate controls down there with your heated seats. Then you've got 12-volt outlet with a household plug, auto dimming rear view mirror up top, and center console shift knob with various drive modes. Those consist of normal, towing and haul, snow and wet, eco, and sport. Take a look towards the back. You've got your paint matched rear bumper, rear view camera right above the Ford logo here. You've got a tow hitch installed. You do have a spray-in bed liner with LED box lighting. You've also got a rear passenger window as well. Jumping into the back seat, you've got a few more accessories still waiting to be put on, but you do have rubber floor mats for this truck. Cloth seating in the rear with the sport stitching. Seating folds up for more storage. Your center console in the rear consists of 2 cup holders, an AV output, 2 USB ports, and a household plug. And then back around to the front, paint match front bumper with halogen headlights and fog lights. Tow hooks up front for plow gear. Metallic gray grille. All around a sharp looking truck. So come on over to MacPhee Ford today. Talk to a sales advisor. They're getting into this F-150. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.